Give back. 4 meanings of a phrasal verb with examples. The first meaning, to return something to someone. Please give back the book I lent you. Please give back the book I lent you. He gave back the money he borrowed. He gave back the money he borrowed. She gave back the keys to the owner. She gave back the keys to the owner. The second meaning, to restore something, confidence, happiness. A kind word can give back someone's hope. A kind word can give back someone's hope. Her smile gave back his happiness. Her smile gave back his happiness. Time in nature gives back my peace of mind. Time in nature gives back my peace of mind. The third meaning, to help or support someone who helped you. I want to give back to my community. I want to give back to my community. She volunteers to give back after years of support. She volunteers to give back after years of support. He started a scholarship to give back to students. He started a scholarship to give back to students. The fourth meaning, to return something abstract, time, life. Old age gives back the quiet of childhood. Old age gives back the quiet of childhood. Retirement gave back his free time. Retirement gave back his free time. Art gives back meaning to ordinary days. Art gives back meaning to ordinary days. Remember the 4 meanings of the phrasal verb to give back. To return something to someone. To restore something, confidence, happiness. To help or support someone who helped you. To return something abstract, time, life.